We need a key. Where is the key? Ah, the key is in the Fantasyland. Let's find the key in the Fantasyland. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we are here in the Fantasyland. But I have a problem, kids. My clothes doesn't fit here. Ah, I need to change my clothes. Okay, let's count. 1, 2. Now, let's start to find the key to open this box. Oh, the key is here. Yay! Now, let's open this box. Oh, what inside of this? 1, 2, 3. Wow! There's 5 letters. A, B, C, D, E. Yay! There are 5 letters. Now, let's learn those 5 letters. Let's play Sound Hand. Yay! I will show you a picture. You tell me what sound you hear at the beginning. The first pictures. Apple. Apple. Apple starts with what sounds? What sounds? Yes, A. Apple. A. Very good. The second picture. Ball. Ball. What sounds? Ba. Correct. Ball. Ba. 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 The third picture. Cat. Cat. Cat starts with what sound? What sound? K. K. Great job. Cat starts with sound K. K. The fourth picture. Dog. 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 Dog starts with what sound? What sound? Yes, dog. Very good. Last picture. Egg. Egg. Egg starts with what sound? What sounds? Yes. E. E. Egg. E. E. Egg. Very good, kids. You are a fast learner. Now, let's sing our letter sound song. Ready? The tone is if you're happy and you know it. Now, let's sing the first letter, which is the letter A. 1, 2, 3, sing! If you know the letter A, says ah, ah. If you know the letter A, say ah, ah. If you know the letter A and you really wanna show, if you know the letter A, say ah, ah. Letter B. If you know the letter B, say ba, ba. If you know the letter B, say ba, ba. If you know the letter B and you really wanna show, if you know the letter B, say ba, ba. Next is C. If you know the letter C, say k, k. If you know the letter C, say k, k. If you know the letter C and you really wanna show, if you know the letter C, say k, k. Very good. D. If you know the letter D, say J, J. If you know the letter D, say J, J. If you know the letter D and you really wanna show, if you know the letter D, say J, J. Yes! The last is E. If you know the letter E, say E, E. If you know the letter E, say E, E. If you know the letter E and you really wanna show, if you know the letter E, say E, E. Yes! Yes! We are done singing. Let's clap our hands. Wow! Amazing, kids! You did a great job today learning letter sounds. Remember, every letter has a sound, and those sounds help us read. Join me again next time for more phonics fun. Bye, kids!